Hello everyone, this video is just to show how you can use breakout rooms in Zoom. Breakout rooms is like creating a physical space for each student to be alone or group of students to meet and talk to each other and then come back to the main room. And for listening speaking classes, since we're doing everything online now, this is a great tool to use if you want them to partner up or get together in group of one or two. And for reading writing classes, if you want to give them some kind of test and you want to proctor them and put them in separate rooms per se, then this feature is useful. So the way you would do that is when you schedule your meeting, either through Canvas for the students, or here I'm just showing you how I would do if I would create it for my students. So you would go to, first of all, you have to enable the breakout room feature. So you will go to settings, and there are plenty of options for you. So we don't want all that. Require password, upcoming meeting, chat, private chat, file transfer, co-host. So if you want someone else to host, you can do that. Rotation, whiteboard, remote control, and then you can see the breakout room. So this has to be on for you to even use this feature. So if it's not on, you won't be able to do that. So you've got to make sure this is on, breakout room, so you can assign participants to the breakout rooms when you schedule a meeting. Okay, so once you get that, then you can go back to the meetings, and let's pretend I'm scheduling a new meeting. So I'm just going to call it test. I'm not creating one, but let's say at 8 p.m. today. So when I go down, and there is this option for me now because I have enabled that feature, breakout room pre-assign. So I do that, and you have the liberty of two ways. You can create an Excel file, breakout room one, the student. I'm not tried that, but you can, I believe, but I prefer to do it manually. So I create rooms. So I go here, I create breakout room one, breakout room two, breakout room three, and so on. So now I want to add participants to each room. Let's say I want a group of 3 students in each room. So just to demonstrate, I'm going to just type people's names that I know of. Mallory Fix. So at ccp .edu, and let's say I want Ray Diaz, ccp.edu in breakout room 1. So once I type in the names, the format of name domain.com, yes, I do have that. Okay. All right, I think we have to do it individually. So let's see. Okay, so Mallory Fix is now breakout room. Now let's see. Ray Diaz at ccp.edu. Now they two are in breakout room 1. So I want to go to breakout 2, and I want to put Linda Falag at ccp.edu. Christy Bergman in breakout 2. So this is, you get the idea. So you assign the way you want, or you can leave it blank too. You can do it at the time of the meeting. And then you kind of save it. Now you have created the room. You've got this. And if you want to change your mind about who goes where, you can always go back and check and see and change. And then come back and save it. Now you have everything done, and then you save it. I'm not saving it because I don't want to send the invite. So once you do that, then you're ready. And on the day of the meeting, um, when you start the meeting, unfortunately, I will not be able to show you that, but when on the screen at the bottom, you will have that option where it says more. If you're the host, you're setting the meeting, there will be next to chat, record, there'll be something called more. And if you click on that, it'll say breakout room. And then once you click, it'll show you who is assigned where. And if it's not, you can again assign students and send them to the breakout room. So that's pretty much how the breakout room works.